The main goal of this robot is to figure out if a stepper motor is a suitable motor for a small outdoor robot. In the past, we used to use gear motors, and this gave the robot enough power to drive on gravel. This robot is based on the open source platform JECCbot Mini. This robot usually uses DC gear motors. It is developed in FreeCAD, and every component of the robot has been modeled, and you can see it on the screen. On the left, you can see a list of all the components. If you hide all other components, you can see the main chassis. When you expand this robot, on the left, you can see all construction steps. This is where we start the design of our robot. We just remove the pockets and holes for the DC motor and replace them with the ones for a NEMA 17 stepper motor. Since this is an open source platform, you can find all information and data on GitHub. In one folder, you find the FreeCAD source file. In another, you find the production data. If you don't want to change anything on the robot, you can just send these files to your 3D printer. To drive the stepper motor, we also designed our own motor driver board. We used KiCAD to do the design. It has two Trimatic TMC 5130A stepper drivers and is based on the Adafruit FeatherWing standard, so you can use any Adafruit feather to power the board. We also did the layout and 3D design of the board. And again, this is all open source and available on GitHub. Finally, we printed the chassis, ordered and assembled the PCBs, mounted the robot, and this is what it looks like. But to get back to the main question of the robot, it turned out that the stepper motors don't have enough power to drive the robot, even on paved ground. In the coming weeks we will figure out why and maybe find stronger stepper motors or other motor drivers. Nevertheless, this project shows how you can easily adapt the JECCbot Mini platform to new challenges like new motors. This photo shows the new stepper JECCbot Mini next to the old gear motor JECCbot Mini. Thank you for watching. You can find all links in the description below.